Robert Half International does is help people.
We help people find jobs.
We can change people's lives on a day-to-day basis.
It's really amazing when you know that if someone has found a new job thanks to you.
You got to do that over and over and over again.
I'm helping, somebody who is really talented find the opportunity that could potentially change their life.
There's candidates that I've placed that have cried to me to the fact they're actually overjoyed.
Recruitment is very tangible. The results, you can see immediately.
I gotta tell you, the high of making a placement never goes away.
It's one of the best feelings in the world.
To be successful at Robert Half, it takes ambition.
The people in our office who are successful, they hate to lose to a competitor.
You need to be dedicated.
Have drive and passion for the job.
Hard work, commitment, tenacity.
Get after it hard, they're loud. You know when they're working deals.
I'd say we're definitely the epitome of work hard and play hard.
But what do we do for fun? The question is, what don't we do for fun?
But it's about the balance. Having the right people to have fun with and work hard with.
It's exceptional. The reputation that we hold in the market is second to none.
Whether it's ethics first, whether it's hiring the top talent in the industry, whether it's promoting from within, developing everybody.
It makes me proud to be part of this organization, knowing that we're always going to do the right thing.
Without that ethical component to our business, we wouldn't be around for 60 years.
I've had the opportunity and the privilege to be mentored by some of the best managers in the business.
Lessons that I've learned from those that have mentored me, I don't know if I ever would have gotten them anywhere else.
In my branch alone, we dedicate every Wednesday morning to training, whether you've been with the company 2 months or whether you've been with the company 5 years like me.
They make it possible to get in and take advantage of the opportunity and make a lot of money, make a lot of friendships, and create success for yourself.
I've spent almost 7 years with Robert Half, and I've had 6 different jobs.
I have been promoted twice since 2008.
After only 1 year and a half, I became division manager.
We've got a lot of opportunity for people to come in and grow their career and do different things.
You can go anywhere in the world and guaranteed there's probably a Robert Half office there.
I've worked in 3 of their locations, Australia, India, and now Hong Kong.
The company recognizes that if you've done well with the company and you've worked hard and proven yourself, they're happy to take the risk on you in different locations.
That's a massive opportunity for anybody that works at Robert Half.
What makes Robert Half unique is we're the envy of the industry. We have phenomenal global reach, and we've done so much, and yet we've got so much more we're going to do.
I'll be honest, it really is a dream job for me. I found myself in what I want to do for the rest of my life.
The sky is the limit and you can go for it.
Come join us.
Come join us.
Come join us. Come join us.
Come join us at Robert Half.